So, how do we go about differentiating numbers to the power of x? So, firstly, I'm going to rewrite it in a way that I can easily differentiate it. So, I'm going to rewrite this one in the form of e to the power of ln 3 over 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, all I've done is introduce e to the ln, which is 1, and that. Okay, and then from there, I can differentiate it. So when I differentiate it, okay, I'm going to rewrite it in one last step. I'm going to write because logarithmics, if there's anything to the power, you can bring this to the front here. So I'm going to write e to the power of 2x ln 3 over 2. That's a 3, yeah? That's a 3. Now it's easier for me to differentiate. So what I'm going to do is dy over dx is equal to, when you differentiate e to the x, you bring everything that's multiplied by to the front. So I'm right, ln 3 over 2 e to the 2x ln 3 over 2. We know that this part here is this part because that's what we did, right? Remember, we're just gonna, I'm not gonna work my way backwards, but we know that we got this part from here. So all I have to do now is replace this with ln 3 over 2 to the power of 2x. Okay? Cool. Next one. Let me put this light here actually. The next one, I'm gonna rewrite these in a different way. Yeah. Firstly, I'm gonna change this, make them into the same power. Okay. So we've got 2 to the power of 4x plus. This is going to be 4 is 2 to the power of 2, so 2 to the power of 2 times 2x, because of indices, laws of indices, will be equal to that. It's going to be equal to, this is going to become 2 to the power of 4x plus 2 to the power of 4x, which means we just basically got 2 to the power, 2 times 2 to the power of 4x. 2 lots of it. I could put plus 1 there as well, but I'm not going to do that. Because, yeah, I'm just not going to do that. Okay, cool. And then I can differentiate this now with a bit more ease. So let's get into the differentiation. My work's getting a bit mad. It is a bit mad, but it's calm. So we've got dy over dx, which is going to be, before we do that, let me take it back a bit. Let me rewrite this in the form that we like it. So like this. We've got 2 e to the ln 2 to the power of 4. Yeah, so basically we got 2 e to the 4x ln 2. Okay. Okay, from there, what are we going to do? Now I can differentiate. So I'm going to bring the ln 2x to the front. So we've got 2 ln 2, right, and also the 4 as well, because the 4 is multiplication. Yeah? All of this stuff. E to the 4x ln 2. Right? And we know this is the same thing as writing this because of what we've done so far. We can see that became this, which became this, ignoring the 2. Because the 2 is represented here. So I can rewrite this as 8 ln 2 e to the, not e, write that as 2 to the power of 4x. Last but not least, let's do this one. This one, I'm going to rewrite everything in the same power. So that's why your indices, that's why I keep saying a lot of people struggle with A level because they struggled with GCSE. Yeah, this is indices. Some of my GCSE students could do this. Just this part, rewriting. Plus, this becomes 2 to the power of 3x, because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to the power of 3, then multiplied by the x because of the same law of like this. All over 2 to the power of 2 times 2x, similar law. 2 times 4, so it becomes 4x. So 2 times 2x, which becomes 4x. Now I can do fractions. This is now fractions. Again, GCSE. This becomes 2 to the power of 3x plus 2 to the minus x. Okay, now we have to put it in the format that we like to differentiate in. So I'm going to write down y is equal to e to the ln 2 to the power of 3x. Well, 3, put 3 here just to skip some steps. And then plus e to the ln 2 to the power of minus x. Right? Which is basically, now we can differentiate it to become, let's do differentiation. dy over dx is equal to what? This is going to be equal to, if we differentiate this, you're going to be ended up with 3 ln 2 times everything in here, which is just going to be, remember this is just came from here, so I'm just write 2x, 2 to the power of 3x, sorry, plus, if we differentiate this, it's going to be minus ln 2, again, all of this again, which is I'm going to replace with this, 2 to the minus x. So the final answer, if I make it all nice and neat, will be this one's actually quite neat already. It's just we bring that out as a negative. I'm not. It just shouldn't be that. Let me know how you guys find that.